How to fix microphone icon missing from Android keyboard. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio. And if you're experiencing that the microphone icon is actually disappeared from your Android keyboard and you're just trying to fix and get back this icon, then here's how you can do it. Well, so now to do that, first thing first, I'm going to open up the keyboard first. So if I open up the keyboard, he'll get to see I don't have any microphone icon right here. So if you're not getting this one, you just need to look at the settings icon of your keyboard. He'll get to see the settings icon. Your settings location can be different based on your keyboard. So you can actually find out the settings option. You can tap on this more button if you have one. So I have this settings option right over here. I'm going to tap on this one and it's going to redirect you to this keyboard settings, and from here you just need to find out the voice timing or voice input option. So I'm going to tap on voice typing and make sure to toggle on this option. Now once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Now if you get back from here, you'll get to see the microphone icon has been appearing right here, and this is how you can fix and get back the microphone icon on your Android keyboard. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.